Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a bronze cut crease. So first, taking my Estée Lauder double wear foundation and a flat foundation brush, I'm going to be priming my lids with the foundation. Next, taking the shade #add and a fluffy brush, I am just going to be sweeping this across my eyelids and into the crease. Next, taking the shade Freshly Toasted, and this is from the Zoeva Coco Blend palette, I'm just going to be taking my Morphe fluffy brush and deepening the crease with this colour. From that same palette, I'm going to be using the colour Beans Are White, and with a smaller brush, I'm going to be darkening the outer V of my eye. Next, taking some foundation on a small flat brush, stamp out where you want your cut crease to be, and then follow the shape of your eye to create your cut crease. Next, taking a small brush and the shade Add, we are now filling in the cut crease shape we made. Using the shade Add and Freshly Toasted, we're going to underline our eyes. Now we're going to do my face makeup, so taking my Estee Lauder foundation and my beauty blender and just bouncing this onto my skin. Next, taking my Morphe contour palette and an angled brush, I am going to define my cheekbones by sucking in and finding the hollows of my cheeks and blending into my cheekbones, hairline and jawline. Highlighting with my sleek solstice palette, I'm doing this in my eyebrows, inner corner of my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow and my cheekbones. Lastly, applying some coats of mascara to finish the look. And that is the look finished. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be back with some more videos. Bye.